how to make your Google Pixel phone go silent automatically when you go to work. So it's very simple. Just go to settings, then type in the search rules, then click rules under system and rules, and then make sure to enable all features. So here we have to enable the location, and then turn on always allow location for rules. And then here you have to add a rule. And then let's say you want to turn on set device to silent, and then here you have to add your work location. So let's say once you reach your work location, you want your device to automatically set to silent. So let's say my work location is over here, so I'm gonna set this my location and then confirm, and then click on add. So every time I arrive at work in this location, my phone will detect that I have arrived at work and it's automatically gonna set my phone to silent. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.